another Mermaid Monday where we talk about everything mermaid. So today I got a box in the mail. I have bought a used FINFOLK first generation tail. It's the Island Iris. So I'm super excited to open it and look at it. It is used, so it does have a couple of things that I'm already aware of. Later on I'll do a full review of the tail and the first generation tail. So let's go ahead and open it. The girl who had it before me, she said she cut it to fit the fin a little bit better. The fin is rapid, so it should have some pretty good propulsion. I haven't actually used the rapid, so I'll see how I like it after use as well. And then here's the vinyl. So this actually goes inside of the tail so it can hold its shape. So now I'm going to assemble this all together and try it on. All right, so now everything is assembled. I'm gonna try her on, see how she fits. I got a medium, because that fit best with my measurements, and I think that's what I had before. So let's see how she fits. People who have wider hips, like right here. It's a little extra space. Like it feels pretty tight all right here until you get to about the thighs a little bit in the area. Oh, there we go, that got stretched out. But then right here, it's a little loose. The rest of it fits pretty good. So I think altogether, it fits nicely. How does it look? So there's a couple of creases, but those are from the vinyl being shipped. Same thing with the tail. There's a couple of places where you can see where it was rolled. But proper storage should fix that right up. It shouldn't be an issue. I'm hopefully able to take this out and test her in the water soon. I know it's a first generation, so there's not going to be any drain holes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to make my own or not yet. We'll figure it out later. I will be doing a review after I go swimming and after all of that, and after I try it out for a photo shoot. So altogether, I think it looks nice. You may have also noticed my background changed slightly during the video. We forgot to add in my Mermaid-themed blanket. It's super fuzzy, super soft. I do enjoy it. And this cool mermaid book that I recently got. I saw it on Instagram and I had to get it and I had to share it. It's called Mermaids Are Real. And I'll post a link in the description. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes.